Hello, students. Hope you are understand previous lectures. In this lecture, we'll discuss about different kinds of computer network categories. Okay, so let's begin the today's session. So, students, in this lecture, we are going to discuss about different computer network categories. What are the network categories? What types of categories that we'll discuss, and even we are going to discuss categorizing computer network. So, friends, there are three types of category: a transmission mode, geographical area, and administration type. These are the three types of network categories. First one, transmission mode. In the transmission mode, there are three another subcategories: simplex, half duplex, and full duplex. Okay, simplex category transmission mode means a mainframe computer which can directly send a data to a computer. That is called simplex. Okay, it means see, I'm using a computer, then I can send data directly to the monitor. But here, half duplex means one computer or one workstation send data to another one, and same way in the first one. So that is called half duplex. Means here it processed by CPU and displays output. Here also it processed by CPU and displays output. But full duplex, it means there are two workstation 1 and 2. In this computer, it can display output vice versa. It can send it to also and get it. Both work can do together. Here they are sending and receiving, here they are sending and receiving. That is called direction of data of all the time. But in the half duplex, once it send the data but not getting same time data, not receiving same time data, that is called half duplex. When this data is sent to this workstation, after that this workstation can send data to this one and they are receiving after sending. That is called half duplex. And full duplex means sending and receiving data both together is happens. That is called full duplex transmission mode. Okay, so here we have discussed about transmission mode and signaling mode. Base signaling mode is based on baseband, means one signal at a time on network media, and digital local signals. Here we can see digital signal baseband and modulated analog signal broadband. This computer is getting signal from the modem, that is called digital signal or baseband. Broadband means divides network media into multiple channel, allows several signals, analog modulated signals. It means here this computer can receive at a time one signal by modem. But modulated analog signal, it means broadband can receive multiple signals together. It can receive multiple signals together and send it. That is called broadband. There will be a difference. Baseband signal is very much slower as comparing the broadband, and broadband signals are faster, providing better speed in the network and allow you to communicate with each other, modem, computer, and the receiver. Okay, so these are the signaling mode. Here we can see another one, geographical area. Geographical area based network, that is another one. Local area network, which is also known as a LAN. Wide area network, which is also known as WAN. It means, see, here you can see multiple local area network connections are connected together. That is convert into WAN, wide area network. Means here is a one city, here is another city, here is another city, here is another city, or we can say a state. So all network comes together. That is create one WAN, wide area network. Here, local area network. It known as it's having different connections, router, and see gateway, router, network servers, network users, and LAN switch. That all the things. Okay, let us discuss in detail what is local area network as geographical area. Okay, let's see what is the detailed information related local area network, which is also known as a LAN. Local area network, a LAN. Group of computers connected in a small geographical area. Small geographical area means maybe it will be one company, organization, or school premises. In that, whatever the computers are connected, that is known as LAN. Area less than 3 km or one building used to share files and services. It can use to share files and services. High speed of communication. High speed of communications under user administrative control. Technology used Ethernet and token ring. So here we can see simple wiring of local area network, 4-port home network. This is a broadband digital service coming into house to your modem. This is a modem. Through that, internet is coming in this router or a switch, and through the router and switch, one connection is going in the printer, another connection is going in the TV, whether it is a smart TV, another connection going in the computer, whether it is a desktop computer or laptop computer, and another connection is going in wireless access point, from where we can connect our smartphones or any other tablet or any other devices. Okay, so these are the local area connections which we can see, through which we can share files and serve different services. We can get high speed of communication. Even it is controlled by user administrative, and it can be used Ethernet technology and token ring technology. So these are local area network, or which is also known as a LAN in geographical area network category. Okay, this is very easy and less costly. Now we are going to discuss about wide area network. Wide area network means a number of local area network connections connected together. Number of local area network connected together, that is known as wide area network. A group of computers connected in large geographical area, whether it is a city, state, or country. Wide area network is having low speed. Under ISP, ISP means Internet Service Provider. Under ISP, administrative control. Wide area network is having a control by Internet Service Provider. In this wide area network, whatever the connections you can see, one is here, another is here, another is here, that all the connections are having a speed of connection, but it's having low speed because they all are connected geographically, maybe in this state different district base, different city base, or in the country different state base, or worldwide. Okay, but it having a control under the internet service provider. Whatever the internet service provider is there, whatever the speed of internet they are providing, on that base it is. In this wide area network technology are used like dial-up connection, which is very much slow, and it having maybe 8 or 10 kbps. Okay, so this technology is used, but now this technology nowadays not in the market. Another one, ISDN, Internet Subscriber Dialing Network, ISDN network, that is also a wired based connection, but that is also nowadays not in used in the market, because wired network, we peoples are using 5G or 4G technologies, and in different countries, as per the generation of internet speed is using, different generation of internet speed they are using on that base. But ISDN is not used. DSL, digital subscriber link, or we can say DSL. Here, this connection is also used for connecting computers faster, X.25 frame relay, and ATM, automated teller machines. This type of different technologies are used, and automatic transmission mode. This technology is used in the market nowadays, and frame relay means a connection which can be used to connect with multiple computers and multiple servers together at a time by using routers, relay, different switches, etc. Okay, so friends, I think now you understand about what is local area network, what is wide area network, and uh, what is the two parts of geographical area network. Now let us discuss about another type, that is administration type. In the administration type there are two types, peer to peer network and client server network. Here we can see a client server network. Client server network means only one main computer is there, and in that main computer we can see it transferring data to different other computers, and other computer is getting information from the main computer. That is called client server network. Let us see in detail about client server network and point to point, sorry, peer to peer network. Okay, so let's see what is peer to peer network and what is the use of it, what is client server network, and what is the use of client server network. First, peer to peer network, it provides host provide and consume network services. Here it is a host. See, you can see here one type of star topology is look is created. In the star topology or mesh topology combination, is it means if this computer is going to send information to here, this computer can send information here, this computer can send information to here, this computer can send information to here. So all things that happens together, but network will be not down. Okay, if this computer not working, then all the remaining five computer working continuously, there will be no effect on other network. That is the use of peer-to-peer network, and a peer-to-peer network is also known as an example of mesh topology. Now, each host has the same administrative privilege. Each computer is having same administrator rights, and only administrator can control all the computers uh, and changing. So that is known as peer-to-peer network. Okay, so I think now you understand about peer-to-peer network, and you understand about mesh topology related simple and basic example. Okay, hope so students, I think you understand about what is peer-to-peer network. Now let's discuss about client server network. Client server network means some hosts are assigned server role. This is a host. Server is superior in hardware and software. If all the computers want information, they can access from this computer. They can access from this computer and they can work on it. Okay. Server provides network resources to host. For example, see here I can say a best and simple example. For example, in the mobile, you have purchased a new mobile. Okay, now you want to install a WhatsApp or Instagram applications. Then how you will install? You have to go in the Play Store and you can download from there. Whenever you are downloading WhatsApp or Instagram application from the Play Store, same time, same second, some other part of the world, mm, thousands or lakhs of people is also downloading and using, but they are using same way, same Play Store or same application. So that becomes a server and your smartphone become a client. Okay, so server provides network resources to host. Other hosts are assigned client role, and client consumes network resources. That is the example of client server network. In this client server network, it most probably and the center part server is there to saving information, to receiving information, to collecting information, to providing information. Everything work done by the main computer, and that main computer is known as a server means one who fulfill a request of the client, and the client means one who request some information to the main computer or a server. That is called a client and server computer or network. Okay, I think now you understand about client server network. And now let's see some dividing of or information related to peer-to-peer and client server network. First, centralization. No central server. There will be no any central server. In the client server, all client machines connect to a central server. Storage. Each machine share files equally with others. But in the client server, all files folders are on dedicated storage on server. Client access such files. Client can access such files. What is the cost? It is inexpensive, and client server is expensive because of server cost. Scalability, home or small office, it is most probably used in the at home or in the small offices, but the client server, it is used in the medium or large enterprises or medium or large business organizations. Okay, now operating system. Client operating system itself storing device and itself a accessing device, but here client server network, server operating system to handle multiple requests. Okay, so these are the administration type of peer-to-peer network and client server network. Hope so. I think you understand about peer-to-peer network and client server network. If you are having any doubt related to peer-to-peer network and client server network, then you can reply me in the comment, or if you are having any doubt related to different categories of network, then you can give me reply in the comment section. I'll definitely reply back to you in the no time. Okay, so friends, I think you understand about different types of network categories. There are three categories. One is a administrator type network, then single type network, and another one is a signaling mode network and geographical location area based network. Okay, so I think now you understand about different category of network, and let us discuss next uh, lecture. We'll more discuss about another computer network technology. So, till that, have a great day. Thank you, and hope you are enjoying the video. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot.